Hey guys, it's your girl Chrissyb and welcome back to my channel. It has been such a long time. I've missed you guys so much. I'm so excited to be back, especially with today's video. So I have like a whole new setup and I recorded a video yesterday with this new setup, which has a new camera and all this stuff. And then when I went to edit it, the video had no sound because it was my first time recording with an external microphone and I did not turn it on. So I'm going to try to salvage as much as that video from yesterday as I possibly can, because today's video is a hair video. So I did my hair initially yesterday, so I really want you guys to see like the first impression, like the real, you know, me trying this product for the first time. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to unbox it. I guess not really even unbox it, I don't know. I'm just gonna show you the box and what came in it again. So I am trying products from the Most. So actually I want to pull this up on my phone because there was a couple points that I didn't want to miss out on. So these Most products, they were sent to me. I do like to tell you guys if things were sent to me or if I bought them, and then if I bought them I always like to tell you where I bought them from. So these products were sent to me, but of course I'm gonna give you like my absolute 100 honest opinion about them. So let's pull this up. Okay, so they had sent like a frequently asked questions sheet. So I just wanted to have that up while I was doing the unboxing to answer some questions that might pop into your head while I'm showing you guys this product. Okay, so the first thing is the packaging. The box that it came in is so beautiful. It is beat up now at this point. But it's not the company's fault. It ended up, UPS tried to deliver it to my apartment because I wasn't home. They took it to a access point. I think it's called access point. They took it somewhere, but they didn't let me know that they took it there. So it spent days there, probably getting kicked, who knows. And then I've had it like open here yesterday and things have fallen on the box, whatever. Long story short is the box is a little beat up, but that doesn't mean if you order from this company your box is gonna be beat up. So that's the outside of the box. I love the color scheme. I think it's so beautiful. And then when you open it, I love what's inside. It says, "A welcome to a world where curls and kinks are catered to." Okay, so what came in the box was this Detangler, super sleek, has a case that comes off. I really like the way this looks. And then I'm such a big attention to detail person. So they also sent a mini screwdriver because like this is battery operated. It's secure with the screw. So they sent a mini screwdriver. So when you need to change the batteries, you can just open it up. And I thought that that was so adorable because not a lot of people have screwdrivers this small laying around. And I feel like most companies don't take that into consideration. So I actually, like, that was one of my favorite things with opening this box, was that there was a mini screwdriver in it. I'm like, I think that's so adorable. Again, I'm an attention to detail kind of gal. The last thing that came in the box was a Hyaluronic Moisture Booster for hydrated curls. It says it's a 1 ounce bottle. So I have the website pulled up here, and the website is themostcurls.co. And basically what I was sent was the detangling starter set. And that includes the sonic detangling brush, which is an electronic battery powered brush made to gently bust through type 2C through 4C tangles at hyper speed with minimal shedding, tuggage, or breakage. And then the Hyaluronic Moisture Booster, it says to use along with the detangling brush for extra slip to help the brush glide through your curls. The moisture boosting serum should be used with water to treat dry hair or mix with your favorite shampoos and conditioners to visibly increase hydration. So the set was $55, which I thought is like an amazing price. I expected it to be a lot more expensive when I went on the website. So I think that that's like a really great bundle deal. Separately, the detangler brush is $40 and the serum is $20. So you're saving $5 on the bundle. So one of the first things that I noticed with like what they sent me as far as the frequently asked questions is the sound of the brush was mentioned. So I thought it was going to be like really loud, really obnoxious, really crazy. That's what I was like bracing myself for. However, it's really not that bad in my opinion. So I'm just going to turn the brush on for you guys so you can hear it for yourself. I don't think that's terrible. I mean, I think it's like similar sound to a blow dryer. So some frequently asked questions and answers from the brand. It says, are the bristles vibrating? And the answer is no. The bristles alternate 180-degree oscillations to gently work through tangles fast. It's like finger detangling, but it takes less time and produces less shedding. Does this product work on 4C hair? Yes. This product is not the same as similar detanglers on the market. The motor is faster to accommodate the needs of 4C hair. Will the tool get tangled in my hair? And it says no. It looks and sounds scary, but what am I saying? The bristles basically wiggle their way through tangles. Can you detangle from root to tip? So, I mean, like typically you always want to detangle from ends up. However, when in a rush, I'll be trying to go from root to tip too. And it says, while detangling usually requires starting at the ends and working your way to the root, many of our users find this tool effective root to tip. Use it however works for you. All right, so those are some frequently asked questions about the brush. That is everything that I got in the box. So I'm going to try to insert yesterday's clip of me actually using the brush doing my hair, and then talk through that, and then I'll see you guys back for some final thoughts and some final words on the brush. Okay. Okay, guys, so I washed my hair with Melanin Haircare shampoo. I deep conditioned with TGIN. Thank God it's naturals. Deep conditioner, their Repair one. And now I'm just going in and I'm spraying Bondi Boost, which is a intensive spray that helps with hair growth. Just spraying that into the front hairline and massaging it into the scalp because I had a bad run-in with a lace front wig, and when she left, she took some edges with her. So I just been using this to assist with growth. So once that's all done, I'm going to section the hair, and I'm using these clips from Conair. that are specifically made for curly hair. They're pretty interesting, they're pretty cool. They have a whole line of combs and hair ties and clips, especially made for curly and coily hair. Now I'm taking my Melanin Haircare leave-in conditioner, and I'm adding 2 drops of the most hyaluronic serum with that, and then I'm just applying that to the hair, and I go through and I do that to my entire head first, just finger combing, and then I'm gonna go in with the most brush right here. So we turn her on, we start from ends and we work our way up. The brush is going through really, really smooth. So I'm definitely liking that. Melanin Hair Care's leave-in conditioner has a lot of slip to it, and then adding the hyaluronic acid to it gives it even more slip. So the brush was just going through really, really nicely. It's giving my hair a little bit of definition. This is like what it normally looks like when I put a ton of product in. So, you know, I was pretty happy with the way it was going. Okay, so now that I've gotten like all the detangling done and the leave-in in, I'm gonna go through and I'm going to style for definition. So for this, I'm using TGIN, which stands for Thank God It's Natural. I'm using their Curl Food Moisturizer. So I just put in like a generous amount of it, and I'm going through with patterns. Oh, I can never say the name of this brush, but you know, the brush that helps you define your curls. Sometimes I use a Tangle Teaser, but today I'm using patterns brush. So I'm just going through adding that curl food and then going through with the curl defining brush, and my curls are really, really popping. Like, I'm actually really, really surprised because my curls never really have this much definition. And with the front still has a little bit of heat damage, probably like an inch or two. So the front doesn't always, well, not always. The front really doesn't do anything. Like, the front usually has no definition, hardly at all. So the true test is what the front does. So with the front, I've really, really loaded up on products because it needs it. It needs like all the help it can get. And I was like so shook. Like, I'm literally shook about the amount of definition that the front is giving, because when I say it doesn't get any definition, like, it doesn't get any definition. So now I'm just gonna go through. I like to do the front forward, have a little bit of a bang. Okay, so at first, when I just detangled my hair with the brush, I was like, okay, this is cool. Like, it's definitely gonna be a time saver. You know, I could go from roots to ends really easily. It moved through really nice. I was like, okay, this is cool. Like, I can add this to my routine. And when I went back and I did my actual styling, I was like, oh my goodness. Not even being dramatic, not even being extra. For those of you who know me, who have been on this natural hair journey with me, which, if you don't know me, I big chopped just over a year ago. June 12th of 2020, I big chopped. And then I still had a lot of heat damage on the ends. So then about 6 months after that, I like literally just went in and chopped everything that was damaged dead off. So I basically just chopped to what was natural. So if you've been following with me on this journey, you know what my hair normally looks like natural. And baby, it never looks like this. It never looks like what it looked like yesterday. It never looks like what it looks like today. My curls have never popped in the way that they popped using, I'm pretty sure it's the serum. The serum, I'm about to order 2 more bottles right now. I'm pretty sure that the hydration from the serum and probably the brush, probably, I don't know, so I'm gonna have to try each alone and see what my hair looks like. But it's never ever looked this good. So at first I was like, this is cool, I could definitely add it to my routine. And now I'm like, this is my routine. Using this brush and using this serum, it is my routine. I'm so happy with the results that I got. Yeah, I'm really blown away. The Most has another product that is not out yet. You can put yourself on the waiting list, I believe, to be notified when it does come out, but it's called the Mint, and it has pods that you insert the product that you already use into, and then it's like, it looks like a flat iron almost, and then you can detangle and add product at the same time. And I promise you that I'm signing up and I'm going to be one of the first people buying that product, because this has definitely been a game changer for my natural hair journey. And I'm super excited to try anything else that the Mint has to offer, because literally this is the first time that I have done my natural hair and been like, I love this. I love what this looks like. I've been on this journey of trying to find what works for me, and I just haven't found it yet. So I'm really grateful for experiencing these Mint products and they being something that works for me and makes me feel good about myself, my hair, and being on this journey. So I hope you guys go check out the website. I hope that you guys found this video to be helpful or informative. We are not connected, meaning you are not subscribed. Please do. Please subscribe. I'm going to have so much more content coming. I'm so excited to be back in the game. So definitely subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know if you're interested in trying any of these products. Let me know if you have any questions. Give this video, a thumbs up if you dare, if you felt it in the least. And I'll see you guys on the next one.